I'll show you how to set your iPhone to only black and white colors in 3 methods, so let's jump right into it. The first method, we go to settings and scroll down until you find accessibility and tap on it. From accessibility, tap on display and text size and then tap on color filters. From here, once you turn on this toggle and make sure you have the first option, the grayscale option, turned on, the phone will be in black and white from there. It's like that, as you can see here. To turn off the black and white mode, go back there and turn off the toggle. This is the first method. Now the easiest method is the second one, so let's go ahead. From accessibility, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on accessibility shortcuts right there. From here, tap on color filters, and since the last filter that you have chosen was the grayscale, the phone will be in black and white once you tap 3 times quickly on the power button. Turn it off just like that by tapping 3 times on the power button again. Now for the third method, we go to the accessibility, to go to zoom and turn on the toggle of the zoom in the top of the screen right here. Now once you tap 3 times with 3 fingers on the screen, you get this menu. Follow up the arrows to turn on and to turn off the black and white mode, just like that. Now these are the 3 methods. I hope you have liked them, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.